Good morning, students. For chapter 6, Social Responsibilities, we have to understand the second part of this chapter, that is role of business in environmental protection. Before starting the meaning of or the role of business in environmental protection, we have to understand what is pollution and how it is to be controlled for environment protection. Pollution is not in the course, but still we should understand its meaning. Pollution means injection of harmful substance in the environment. When this harmful substance is induced in the environment, it spoils our air, it spoils our water, it spoils our land, and sometimes it is spoiling our um health also. In that case, there are four types of causes or four types of environment which are uh, possible possible with the causes. First is air pollution. You know that injection of harmful substance in the atmosphere, and that is possible by injection of harmful gases. Second is water pollution, that is injection of harmful substance in the water, and that can be possible by the dumping waste in the water, and factories waste or other smoke is also a part that is there in the air pollution. Land pollution is a type of injection of harmful substances in the land, in the soil, and that is possible by contamination of land by using more fertilizers or cutting the trees. So many things are responsible for this. Why to control pollution? That is much more important to understand. If we will control the pollution, we will take care of our environment, and if the pollution is controlled, then health will be people will be healthy, and there will be no disease of lungs, of heart, or kidney, or so many body parts can be saved from it. And if we control pollution, there will be a comfortable life, no irritation, coughing, breathing problems, and there will be a clean water in rivers, there will be clean air to breathe, and natural beauty can also be maintained, and economic losses can be reduced, which is nowadays we are facing with our Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is losing its beauty only because of the smoke in the air. And the last one is ensure safety. Safety is that people, those who are um, facing problem of visibility due to the pollution, they may cause accidents or so many other problems may occur. So these all are the part of why to control the pollution. Now the main content is role of business in environment protection. That is much more descriptive, but the thing is only 7 or 8 points are there which can be taken care by the management of every business, owner of every business. If the owner is committed, if the owner is giving promise to the society that they will take care of environment, then everything will be solved, all problems will be overcome. First step by business can be taken, that is definite commitment by the top management. Commitment is promise that they will definitely control the pollution and they will definitely protect the environment. So I should use the positive word, protection of environment by controlling pollution. Second is ensuring that commitment to environmental protection is shared throughout the enterprise. It means it's not only the owner has to take responsibility, he has to share it with its employees also, the members also. Third one is clear cut policy and programs he should prepare. Fourth one is he should comply with the law, respect the law, regulations by the government. If government says that they should not be dumping into the water from the factories, then they should take care of it. They should have their own plans of reusage of their waste. Fifth one is participation in government programs, where whatsoever the government says, accordingly they should work. Like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan itself is one of the example. Sixth one is periodical assessments of pollution control programs of cost and benefit. If a businessman is adopting any pollution control program, then they have to assess it periodically, that there should be a proper and serious adaptation of this system. Last one is arranging workshops, educational workshops and trainings, materials to share technical informations to its suppliers, its dealers, its customers. Everybody is needed to be involved in this process. So that's all about the role of business in environmental protection. Thank you so much.